Hey there, YouTube. Today I've got this Hobart Multi-Handler 200 welder. It's a multi-process welder that operates MIG welding, DC TIG welding, and stick. And it operates with a 120 volt outlet and a 240 volt. So I got this to practice my welding and all that. So I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing video for you guys and just show you kind of everything that goes on with it. So let's get to it. So I'm just going to show you guys a top view here as I open it up here. So piece of cardboard. Alright, let's start up here. This looks like our instructions and owner's manual and everything. So it looks pretty interesting. I'll have to go over that here before I start using this, but yeah, so we got that. It looks like right here we've got our MIG solid wire. So I can't tell if this is flux core. I don't think this is flux core. I think this is just regular old MIG wire. So we got that too. That's kind of nice. They give you that. And this looks like to be our 240 volt outlet thing for the welder, so we can do that. It's nice and sturdy. Let's see here. This looks like to be wire size. I forget what they call this thing, but it measures your wire size, I think. So we got that. And so now we got this guy. Oh, okay. So I think this is the gauge for the gas, for argon or anything else that is going on. So yeah, so this looks, yeah, that's our little gauge. So looks pretty sturdy. It's made pretty well from some metal. I'll show you guys that. And yeah, that's pretty nice. So okay, so I'll set this aside, and looks like this also came with this looks like to be a manual of some sort for the gauge, the gas gauge. Tells you how to do cylinders and stuff, so I'll put this all aside here. And there's another box. This is pretty big. Under here. Oh, it's already open. Look at that. Okay. Oh, okay, so here's some replacement tips for the MIG welding. I'll show you guys that right there. And this aside. This seems to be our MIG gun, along with the cord and everything. So I'll show you guys it here in a minute. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get this open, maybe. Looks pretty sturdy, pretty nice. like I said, it's pretty sturdy. Seems to be made out of good material. Gun seems pretty good. Same with this, the wiring. So yeah, looks pretty good. So I'll put this aside and open this up. Oh boy! All right. So what's this? Where's the packing order? The receipt. And okay, I'll just get right to showing this here. So, got our welder right here. Alright. Okay. Let me get this wire out first. This looks like the outlet for it. It's got a 120 volt connector on here. This thing. So plug her back in. I'll go ahead and pull this out here. We'll go over this last. Okay. This. Okay, this is what I was waiting for. This is our stick stinger. Huh. Seems to be pretty good quality. Do some pretty good stick welding with this. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened to the video that for the TIG gun and everything here. So I'm just gonna show you guys this real quick. And also, it's been about a week now, and I took the welder into welding class, and I was able to kind of test it and see how it works and stuff. And so I'll get to update you guys with that too. So here's the TIG gun here, and it seems to be like with all the other stuff, it's pretty good quality. So and it has this number 7 on there, and but yeah, it all seems pretty good. And yeah, so but yeah, I also use this old cigar box here to hold this stuff, but this came with the welder as well. These are different sizes of TIG stuff. I mean, I don't know anything about TIG really yet, but it has all these different sizes and stuff, so I thought that was pretty nice that it came with that. And then of course these are the welding tips and stuff that it came with. But yeah, so, and then a little update about I took the welder to welding class and stuff, and my instructors tried it and they loved it, and it was pretty good. So yeah, I tried the stick function, and it worked great. Because at the welding class there, they just have all the old stick machines that are at least probably 20 years old or something. So I was able to try that out, and the sticks just worked a lot better than the older ones. I mean, obviously it's a brand new machine, but yeah, it worked really good and stuff. So happy with that. And then I tried the MIG function as well, and I got some more wire too, because the wire that it came with was only a £1/2 reel, so I used it up in like 15 minutes. But but other than that, it was pretty good, and the MIG worked great, just as expected. So and then I don't know much about TIG. I haven't really TIG welded yet, so I never tried the TIG function, but I'll be excited to try that out soon. And also, I was gonna tell you guys that the welder didn't come. It just came with this TIG gun here, but it didn't come with a foot pedal or anything to control the gas. So I imagine I'll have to invest in that someday. Probably just buy a foot pedal or something for, I don't know, 100 to 150 bucks. No biggie really, but especially for how cheap this welder was for all the stuff that came with it and the quality that it is, it's pretty insane. I think it was only around 1,100 bucks. But I mean, if you look at Miller or Lincoln Electric or any of those other big brands, their welders are always very expensive. So at least 2,500 bucks for just the cheapest multi-process welder. And so I wanted a multi-process so I could practice everything and know how to do everything. And so that's why I got the multi-process. But my welding instructor actually referred me to this Hobart Multi-Handler, and because Hobart is apparently made by Miller, so just like I don't know, like Audi and Lamborghini are made by the same people. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it, and I think I'll definitely get some good use out of it. Again, I'll update you guys some more when I start using it, and more, and because I I might actually make a video on that. Is I gotta make a welding cart for it so it'll be easier to transport around and stuff. But yeah, and then I'll buy some argon for it, argon cylinder, so I can start MIG welding with it too. So so that's all I had. Just wanted to update you guys and kind of show you guys the TIG footage of the TIG, and kind of show it to you guys, since I don't know where the other one went, but the video. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I'll update you guys more on it as I use it, and make more truck content too as well. So yeah, so take care guys. Thanks.